So, hello guys. Here is one IELTS speaking topic, and it relates to something about entertainment. And in speaking, you know that in part one there will be an introduction, followed by a few questions on any topic. Generally, the topic is general topical topic. So here it says about entertainment here. So first of all, the question is, do you prefer relaxing at home or going out in the evening, and why? I think here the answer could be, I prefer relaxing at home, especially on weekdays, because I get tired and don't have much energy to go out and enjoy. So I prefer relaxing at home and watching TV and probably play some computer games. But at weekends, I prefer going out with my friends and maybe love to purchase something new and and just play a game or two of cricket or maybe table tennis. And I just like it, and that's how I let my hair down. When you go out for an evening, what do you like to do? Well, when I go out for an evening, I prefer uh, to relax myself, and especially I just roam around with my friends, and in fact, a few malls are there in my vicinity, and I go with my friends and just hang around there. And this is really important for me because I think one should be an outfield person, not just one who stays at home all the time. And this is really important for us to go out and relax. How popular is this with other people in your country? Oh well, a lot of people enjoy doing these things because a lot of for youngsters, if you go around malls and theaters, you'll see a lot of people roaming around, and maybe some of them just doing window shopping, while others are really uh, make cracking jokes with their friends. And among youngsters, it's very popular thing. And some people just sit on the plinth of uh, a mall and just crack jokes on the passerbys and sometimes on each other also. And this makes you less tensed. You enjoy. And is there any kind of entertainment you dislike? Uh, Yes, there are a couple of entertainment activities which I do not like. Uh, like, for example, I do not like sitting at home all the time. Because I think if one keeps on sitting all the time at home, one would become too weak and just a very disinterested person. And probably one would also lose the eyesight by watching too much TV all the time. And I think outdoor activities are more important than staying at home. Okay, now let's get on to part two. Here I will give you a topic on which you'll have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. And you will have 1 minute to prepare your notes, and I will give you 1 minute. And after 1 minute, I will ask a few questions. So here is your topic. Well, okay, you may start now. So I think this is a beautiful topic about friends, and I would like to tell about one of my friends. His name is Suendra, and I've liked him since I've met in the very first time. He's really a great person. I think once I had gone to fill my form on one of the buildings in one of the buildings of passport office, and we chatted together, and as we both were interested in going outside India, and we met each other and started liking each other. And so Andrew was a very amiable person. I just liked him because, and we exchanged our phone numbers, and then it has been quite some time now, but I think 4 or 5 years now. And I just like this person very much because he's a very reliable person. He gave me all the correct information related to the form, and he also solved many queries which I had. In fact, none of the officials were also not able to give me the correct answers, the appropriate answers, and I inquired from him, and he just answered beautifully, and just we then exchanged a few jokes also, and because we were standing in the queue, and now we quite often meet, especially on weekends. Saturday is the best time when we meet and talk to each other. And he just lives I think just 10 kilometers away. It's not much a distance. So we just go out and spend time together, hanging around in the malls. And this person is liked by me, but for many accounts, because he's very loyal and very trustworthy person, and I've never met such a person before. Uh, how these past 4 or 5 years passed, I just don't know. This is a remarkable person. I wish we had stayed together for a longer time, and I would like to meet this person quite often. So this was about part one, and part two we will uh, discuss more about other part three in our next next part, next session. Hope you enjoy it. My answers. And if you have any queries about how to prepare for IELTS and other exams, especially the PTE, you can mail me or you can write to me at my email address. So bye for now.